I'm starting off this DIY project with a Dollar Tree silver bowl. The top is a bit messy because I was trying to use it for a different project that did not turn out so well, so I'm going to be using it for this DIY instead. They sell this at the Dollar Tree too as well, but I got this particular one from Party City and I'm going to be attaching it to the silver bowl. I'm making a DIY floor lamp and this is going to serve as the shade. I'm going to be covering up just the middle part with foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is okay, but I'm going to keep this aside for now and attach just what I have here to the silver bowl. I'll be covering up the rough edges with the metal ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now that I have all this in place, I'm now going to be attaching the cut-off foam board in the middle. I have two ideas for the base for the lamp, and the first one is going to be using wooden hangers. I'm going to be taking off the part that I don't need and attach the wooden hangers in such a way that I'm going to have a stand that would comfortably hold the shade. I'll be using just 4 of these hangers, and then I'm going to take 2, attach them together with screws, and then I'm going to be taking the other 2 and attaching them with screws as well. And when I'm done, both of them are going to be attached together, and the goal here is to make sure that both of them end up looking like one singular piece. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now that I have that all set, I'm going to keep it aside and take a frame from an old clock, and this will be the base for the floor lamp. I'll be covering the top and the bottom of the frame with cut-out foam board. Now the set of hangers are going to go right inside That will keep it in place, but then I'm also going to be adding glue to seal off the top. For proper balance at the top, I will be using something flat. And I'll be using an empty container that has a wide lid. I spray painted it silver and attached it to the top of the hangers. I later on spray painted the whole thing silver. And because I used Dollar Tree foam board, the bottom looks like this, and I didn't really like it, so I'll be using craft sticks to make some sort of pattern around it to cover up the surface. That was then, I spray painted it silver and kept to the side. Now going back to the lampshade, I will be using remote control push lights, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. The lights are going to be attached inside all of the open spaces with glue. I later on decided to add garland beads around the shade. I'll be using an adhesive tab to keep the shade in place. When I was done making this, I realized I needed a longer base for the floor lamp, so I took pipes, and these are PVC pipes. I'm going to cut them down to size. And I'll be needing 3 pieces for this project. I'm going to be having all 3 pieces stay together and then opening up at the bottom to serve as a stand. I used hot glue and a strong adhesive to keep the top together like this, and a small size embroidery hoop to keep the design in place. I need a flat surface at the top, so this round piece of wood is what I'm going to be using. I secured the embroidery hoop in place with screws. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted the whole thing silver. When it was dry, I brought it back inside, and now that I have this all set, all I did was to literally take the shade that I made and attached it to the top. Let's not forget about the base that I made with hangers. I just removed the shade from this one and attached it to the one with hangers. And as you can see, it's shorter, so I was thinking I could have added 2 more hangers to increase the height, But then now that I have this the way it is, I decided to put it on a table to see what it was going to look like. And there you go. It's too high for a table. So I guess it's just going to go back to the floor. Now, out of the two that I made, I really love the one with the pipes. It looks much more better in my eyes. And the only thing I would change would be the size of the bowl. If I had something a little bit wider than this, it would work perfectly fine. But this is still okay, because regardless of the size, it still makes its own statement and it's still pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.